Monosaccharides are the simple sugars which contain single polyhydroxyaldehyde or the ketones. Example: glucose, fructose, mannose, and the galactose. Next, disaccharides, which are made up of the two monosaccharides units which are covalently linked together with the glucosidic bonds. Example: sucrose, lactose, and the maltose. These are the very important in so many previous exams. They have asked hydrolyzed products of the different disaccharides. Sucrose means glucose plus fructose. Lactose, glucose plus galactose, maltose, glucose plus glucose. Polysaccharides are the carbohydrates which are made up of more than 10 monosaccharides units. It is also called as the glycans. Example of polysaccharides is starch, glycogen, cellulose, and the hemicellulose. In this amylose consisting of the long unbranched chain which contains only alpha 1, 4 linkage. Amylopectin is a branch structure which contains both alpha 1, 4 linkage and the alpha 1, 6 linkage. Next, proteins are the organic molecules which contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and it was amino acids are the building block of the proteins. Proteins made up of the 20 amino acids. It was divided into 10 essential amino acids and the 10 non-essential amino acids. Tricks to remember essential amino acid is PM, PT, all IB. Essential amino acids like phenylalanine, methionine, tryptophan, threonine, histidine, arginine, leucine, lysine, isoleucine, valine. Non-essential amino acids like glycine, alanine, serine. If you remember essential amino acid, we can easily identify non-essential amino acids. Aromatic acids, phenylalanine, tryptophan, tyrosine, sulfur-containing amino acids like methionine, cysteine, hydroxy amino acids, serine, threonine, tyrosine. And these four types of amino acids asked in previous examination. And next, lipids. Lipids are the water insoluble, oily or greasy organic substances made up of fatty acids. In this, there are two types of the fatty acids. One is saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids contain single bond. Unsaturated fatty acids contain double bond. Saturated fatty acids remain solid at the room temperature. Liquid at room temperature is unsaturated fatty acids. Example are very important for these both fatty acids. Oleic acid, stearic acid, palmitic acid, lauric acid, myristic acid are the acids of saturated fatty acids. For example, palm oil and coconut oil. Unsaturated fatty acids contains linoleic acid, linolenic acid, arachidonic acid. For our healthy life, we have to use unsaturated fatty acids because it does not cause any cardiac arrest. If we consume excess amount of the saturated fatty acid, means it may cause cardiac arrest. Monounsaturated fatty acids means olive oil, groundnut oil, canola, avocado, and almond oil. According to the World Health Organization, contribution energy producing nutrient to the diet: carbohydrates 55 to 75%, protein 10 to 15%, fat 15 to 30%. When a person consumes the right amount of these nutrients, it is known as the balanced diet. And nutrient deficiency disorders. Malnutrition means when a person does not get the right amount of the nutrients to maintain healthy tissues and the organic function. When a protein deficiency occurs in a human body, there are two types of deficiency disorders occurs. One is kwashiorkor and marasmus. In the figures, you can notice that kwashiorkor may cause the symptoms like failure to gain and grow, swollen abdomen, and decreased muscle mass. For 2018 JRF, they have asked like kwashiorkor is caused only protein deficiency or carbohydrate deficiency. It leads to only by protein deficiency, but marasmus means it is caused by both protein and carbohydrate deficiency. In marasmus, we can see symptoms like wrinkles in severe growth retardation. Child look apparently thin and limbs appear as a skin and bone shriveled body. In order to create awareness, PM Modi considered September month is a nutrition month. And this is the energy requirement of Indians at different stage. This you may take screenshot. This once they have asked in examination, requirement kilocalorie per day. And also you should learn this conversion. 1 kilocalorie means 4.184 kilojoule. 1 kilojoule is equal to 0.239 kilocalorie. These things are important. Next is glycemic index. Glycemic index means the amount of glucose contributed to the blood after consumption of 100 grams of the food. This for match the following. When we wrote GRF exam, they have asked like highest glycemic index vegetable crop is parsnip, and also they will ask value. Low glycemic index means 55 or less. Medium means 56 to 69. High means 70 or more. What here I have highlighted those questions asked in previous exams. Date palm contains the highest glycemic index among the fruits. Among vegetable, parsnip, and also for several fruits they have gave sapota 73, guava 78. Among fruits, cherry have the lowest glycemic index, around 22. Next is vitamins and the minerals. Vitamins and the minerals are not naturally synthesized by our body. It should be taken by the supplement from our the food source. A, D, E, K are the lipid soluble, and B, C are the water soluble. Biological antioxidant vitamins means vitamin C and vitamin E. Iodized salt contain 15 ppm iodine. Fluoride strengthen teeth, bone, and also reduce tooth decay. Iodine thyroid function. Selenium acts as an antioxidant. And this what I have highlighted. These those questions asked in exams. Seed embryons are the good source of vitamin B1. Leafy vegetables are good source of folic acid, which is used to cure anemia. And this is the vitamins and synonyms and deficiency disorder. In so many times they have asked vitamin A deficiency, night blindness, and xerophthalmia. Vitamin B1, thiamine, and also beriberi. And vitamin B3 leads to deficiency, pellagra. And this vitamin D deficiency disorder rickets in children, and also osteomalacia in adults. Osteomalacia in adults means softening of the bones in adults, and also vitamin E leads to deficiency leads to sterility. These things so many times asked. Next, this is the important source of minerals in horticulture crops. You have to learn this RDA, recommended daily requirement for calcium 600 milligram per day, iron 70 to 21 milligram per day, and phosphorus 600 to milligram per day. And this pigeon test once has due to calcium deficiency leads to pigeon test. And this is the nutrition value of fruits and vegetables. For vitamin A, mango 4,800 international units, papaya 2020, cashew nut 630, apricot, and vitamin C always they will ask kemu kemu and West Indian cherry, unla, gava, roses. In vegetables, cassava contains carbohydrates 38%, sweet potato 28.2%, potato 22.6%. This you may take a screenshot also. And also fat like walnut, almond, guava, dietary fiber, avocado, fig, iron, calcium. Lychee contains 0.21%. This is very important. Dry karonda 0.16. And this is the vitamin A. 1 microgram is equal to 3.33 international units. These points they have asked in previous GRF exams. Double fortified salt contain both iodine and iron. NaCl contains 40% Na and 60% Cl. Already I have told vegetable with highest glycemic index is parsnip. Among fruit is date fruit. Among fruit lowest is cherry. And folic acid rich horticultural crop is spinach, 80 microgram per 100 gram. And this is the health benefits of fruits and vegetables. According to the pigments, we can see the health benefits. Lycopene rich fruits are pink grapefruit. This grapefruit asked in so many times. Guava, papaya, tomato. These were rich in antioxidant, also protect against prostate and bladder cancer. Lutein, avocado, spinach, and kale. These were also. Then beta carotene, mango, papaya, pumpkin neutralize the free radicals. Zeaxanthin pigment found in avocado. antioxidant, anti-cancerous, and also like in coal crops, which was fight against the cancering agents. And onion and the citrus juice is also used to cure scurvy disease. Next, canning. Canning is the process of sealing foodstuff hermetically in a container and sterilizing it by heat for the long-term storage. Its principle is destruction of the spoilage causing microorganism within the sealed container by means of heat. The optimum pH for canning should be less than 4.5, because below which there is no growth of the Clostridium botulinum. Next, these were the some important points I have highlighted. For washing the fruits, we have to use 25 to 50 ppm chlorine or acidified water, 5% HCl, and also for blanching 70 to 100 degrees Celsius for 2 to 5 minutes. These things are very important. And peeling example, for steam peeling peaches, tomato, potato, use mechanical peaches, pineapple, cherries, carrot, turnip, potato, flame peeling. So many times they have asked onion and garlic. For lightening, concentration is important. 1.2% caustic soda for zero point 0.5 to 3 minutes. For shelling peas, snipping beans, and citric acid was added for to improve the flavor, and also ascorbic acid for rich in antioxidant and nutrition. Its space is important, zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.5 centimeter. During canning, the temperature should be 79 to 82 degrees Celsius. For exhausting, hot water tank 82 to 87 degrees Celsius, and also steam box 82 to 100 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Center of the can should be 79 degrees Celsius. Sealing temperature should not fall below 74 degrees Celsius. These things are very, very important. And cooling, cool below 39 degrees Celsius. And flipper and hydrogen swell defects were asked in previous exam. These were defects of the canned horticultural produce like swell, flipper, hydrogen swell, hard swell, flat sore, acidic food, sulfur, shrinkage, spoilage. Then drying and dehydration. Drying is the oldest and most widely used method of food preservation. It is the natural, but we cannot use the drying method all over time. Only when sunny days are there, that time it was used. But dehydration is the process of removal of moisture content by the application of the artificial heat under the controlled condition like temperature, humidity, and airflow. It was very effective. Drying removes only free water, while dehydration removes both free water and bound water. For free water means it can be easily easily removed from the product, but bound water cannot be removed easily, so it needs dehydration. Drying and dehydration removes the biologically active water 30% to stopping the growth of the microorganism. This psychometric chart used to determine the drying relation of the product. The objective, the drying temperature for fruits is 66 to 71 degrees Celsius. For vegetables, 60 to 66 degrees Celsius. While drying process, which will inactivate the enzymes and chemical reaction. Objective to reduce the weight and volume, and also to reduce the water activity. Its principle: heat transfer in and mass transfer out. The factors which requires while drying: temperature, relative humidity, and air velocity. The driving force involved in drying fruits and vegetables. Next, this is the type of dryers. The sun drying is one of the natural and oldest method of the food preservation. Only high sugar and high acid content of the fruits are dried while in sun drying, and minimum temperature required for the sun drying should be 30 degrees Celsius. RH is more than 60% is unfit for sun drying. Next, solar dryer is modified sun drying system to speed the drying process. Example like apple, stone fruits, pineapple, grapes, and figs were dried. And this were the tray dryer. Its synonyms are very important. They will ask tray dryer, also called as cabinet dryer, and mechanism is not that much important. This only examples they will ask for tray dryers. Which products are suitable? Cut fruit pieces, sliced and diced fruits are suitable. And tunnel dryer, this is the modification of over cabinet dryer. This point is important. Generally, fruit cut pieces are also used in tunnel dryer. And drum dryer, also called as roller dryer or film dryer. This dryer is used for the liquid food and the semi-solid product. This is important. Which dryer is used for liquid food and semi-solid product means drum dryers. And then diameter of the drum is 0.5 to 6 meter. Example, fruit purees and potato starches are dried. Next is foam head dryer. For these fruit juices, vegetable purees, beverages, jams, they use foam head drying. Foaming agents and foaming stabilizers are important. Foaming agents like egg albumin, whey protein, soy protein. Foam stabilizers like carboxymethyl cellulose, pectin, xanthan gum, and gum arabic. And this is the fluidized bed dryer, mainly used for the peas, pomegranate eril, for anadana making, chopped coconut pieces, West Indian cherry, onla mushroom. Mainly for peas, they are mostly used. And then spray drying may be used for the fruit juices like orange juice, pomegranate juice, mango juice, pink guava, tomato pulp, and black carrot. In one time, they have asked the spray drying the diameter 10 to 200 micrometer. That was asked in JRF exam. And this is a freeze drying, also called as lyophilization. Principle of freezing is crystallization, and freeze drying principle is sublimation. This is the harmless method of the preservation. And sublimation means water passes directly from solid state to the vapor state without passing through the liquid state. This 4.79 mm of mercury pressure and 0.0099 degrees Celsius temperature operates during freeze drying. This is important. Then eutectic point means a temperature at which one of the solute molecules becomes supersaturated and crystallized out. It is known as eutectic point. This also so many times they have asked. And freeze burn agglomeration of the food particles recrystallization. These were all the defects in frozen foods. And these things you have to remember. Refrigeration temperature means 0 to 7 degrees Celsius. Freezer temperature minus 18 degrees Celsius. Cryogenic freezing, liquid nitrogen minus 196 degrees Celsius. When we wrote JRF exam, they have asked liquid carbon dioxide temperature. That is minus 43 degrees Celsius. In freezing, there are two types will come. One is quick freezing and the slow freezing. Quick freezing temperature 0 to minus 4 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Slow freezing minus 15 degrees Celsius to minus 29 degrees Celsius. That also important. And this is the drying ratio of the various horticultural produce. For onions, 10 is to 1, okra, 12 is to 1, bitter gourd, 16 is to 1. These things you have to remember. And this is the variety suitable for drying of fruits and vegetables. What I have highlighted, those questions asked in the exam. For example, grape resin means Thompson seedless, kishmish, churni, muscat, black cornet, golden bleach. In pear, bartlett, and some are used for drying. In fig, Simran fig, Calimirna fig, mission, black mission, Kadota, Adriatic. More than 5 times they have asked. For onion, Pusa white round, Pusa white flat, Rupali Udaipur. For pea, Little Marvel, Varanasi sweet, Maurice Bonneville, Thomas Laxton, Duke of Albany. These are asked in previous exams. And this is the novel techniques in processing of fruits and vegetables. For example, like sterilization, pasteurization, this all the techniques may cause the changes in food flavor, colors, and the texture, and also nutrition quality. This was the basic things which attracts the consumer. In order to improve those qualities, we have adopted the techniques like novel thermal processing. These techniques helps to enhance the shelf life of the products, and also it will destroy the microorganism, does not affect the organoleptic and nutritional attributes. It does not leave chemical residues. These were the techniques we are using. Non-thermal techniques like high pressure processing, pulse discharge of high capacitor, and then UV light, pulsed electric field, like this. High pressure processing, mainly we should know the what's its principle, for which purpose they are using. Principle means Leach-Clear principle, isostatic pressure, microbial inactivation principle. They may give this principle. They may ask this principle related to high pressure processing. This processing used for only fruit juices, beverages, vegetable and dairy foods. This much is enough. And then pulsed electric field, its principle is electroporation of the microbial cell membrane. Means it leads to, due to the high electric field, it will cause the death of the microorganisms. Next, cold plasma technology means it contains electricity plus carrier gas, air, oxygen, nitrogen and helium. It is used for the surface sterilization of the heat sensitive materials. So it is called as the surface sanitizing technology. Then sonication principle is cavitation, and also its sound intensity is 10 to 1000 watt per centimeter square. For microwave processing, so many times they have asked microwave ovens operating at 2450 megahertz. This point is important. And adult technology means it is the intelligent combination of combined preservative techniques to maintain the quality of the products, like temperature, water activity, acidity, additives are used as the hurdles. So currently it is used for the minimal processed products. Means packing of the fruits and vegetables, we can store for longer time. This technology is used. And this is the membrane technology in food processing. Like for fruit juice industry, they were using RO and also UF and MF. For wine and beer industries also, they were using reverse osmosis, UF and MF. Most widely used in fruit juice industries means UF and MF. Nanofiltration is used for the purifying the lactic and amino acids. Like this, they will ask which filtration used for purifying lactic acid and amino acids. Reverse osmosis is a pressure, is a key element and used for pro concentration of the fruit juice. And this is the fermentation. Fermentation is nothing but decomposition of the carbohydrates by microorganisms or enzymes is called fermentation, or breakdown of carbohydrates and carbohydrates like materials under either anaerobic or aerobic condition. The science of fermentation is known as zymology. It is the oldest method of the preservation. Its principle is it minimizes, inhibits, kills and removes the contaminating microorganism. This type of fermentation micro products use. These all things are important. Acetic acid microbe, Acetobacter aceti, its product is acetic acid and used as acidulant, condiment, pickling. This uses they have asked in so many times. Alcoholic means Saccharomyces cerevisiae, product ethanol, use beverage solvent. Lactic acid, Lactobacillus lacti, lactic acid for milk products they are using. And this is the alcoholic fermentation. For alcoholic fermentation, they are using anaerobic condition. Saccharomyces cerevisiae and Zymonas mobilis bacteria involved in alcoholic fermentation. This question asked in 2017 JRF. Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast and Zymonas mobilis bacteria used in alcoholic fermentation. These things also you have to remember. Alcohol percentage, how we should convert. And acetic acid fermentation in this two-step occur, and also bacteria used like Acetobacter aceti and also Acetobacter orleanensis. For lactic acid fermentation, the process of conversion of sugar into lactic acid by lactic acid bacteria under aerobic condition is known as the lactic acid fermentation. In these two types of fermentation will come homolactic acid fermentation and heterolactic fermentation. Homolactic means one molecule of glucose is converted into, you can see in this equation, one molecule of glucose is converted into two molecules of the lactic acid under aerobic condition. Heterolactic fermentation means one molecule of glucose converted to one molecule of lactic acid, one molecule of ethanol and one molecule of the carbon dioxide. This reaction is important. Examples: sauerkraut, cucumber pickles, olives pickles and Indian pickled vegetable. And this is the technologies or steps of the wine production in the selection of fruit sorting, crushing, super extraction, pressing, dejuicing, filling, addition of sugar, pH adjustment, addition of preservative. Regarding to technology of wine production, some questions whatever has I am going to repeat. For making red wine, they will use varieties like Zenifendal, Shiraz, Cabernet, and Sauvignon. These varieties are used for the red wine. For crust material, it is main points that I was telling what previous they have asked. Crust materials is known as must. For super extraction, cooling grapes at -4 degrees Celsius it was used, and also hydraulic press is used to remove the juice. This was the technique. In order to preserve the wine, they were adding SO2 50 to 100 milligram per liter or KMS 1.5 gram per 10 kg of the grapes. And for enzyme addition like pectinase enzymes, they were adding to improve the juice clarity. In industries, they will use compulsorily this enzyme because they want to make the juice clarity. Proteolytic enzymes, they use it to improve the color and the flavor, and also addition of the anthocyanins to remove the residual anthocyanin, because it grapes contains the anthocyanin pigment. These things are some important. And also like fermentation occurs in 2 days at temperature 22 to 28 degrees Celsius in cool place. And also optimum pH is important. Optimum pH for white wine is 3.1 to 3.4. For red wine, 3.3 to 3.6. These questions was asked. For optimum pH of red wine is 3.3 to 3.6. And this is the classification of wine. You have to remember those things. Table wine means alcohol content 19 to 14% by volume. Red wine means more flavorful, and also it contains some astringent. White wine, it contains more acidic and sweeter wine. Rose wine means lighter than red wine, but it contains the more astringent when compared to white wine. Ice wine means acidic, and these terms are very important. For fill in the blanks, they will ask like which is white wine, rose wine, like that. Fortified wine alcohol content is 17 to 22%. For example, dessert appetizer wine is known as vermouth, marsala, and birb. These were the example for fortified wine. And this is the chemical composition of the grape berry. Many times asked, like color red grapes contains anthocyanin, white grapes contains carotenoids, xanthophyll, and quercetin. These aromatic compounds also important. Foxy flavor means methyl anthranilate. Muscat flavor means methyl salicylate. Wine means methoxypyrazine. Henberry contains aromatic compound called zeranol. These things are important. Then phenols means Vitis vinifera means camperol. This is the phenol present in vinifera. And labrusca means it is called as fox grape. It contains phenol called quercetin. Phenol donate color, taste, and anti-aging properties. And cuticular wax in grapes is made up of oleonic acid. These questions asked in JRF. Cuticular wax in grape made up of oleonic acid. Tartaric acid is a major phenolic acid in the grapes. This box is very important. And this is the classification of the beverages. Alcohol content for wines, beer, whiskey, these things are important. Fermented or non-distilled beverages. They will ask like beer is a fermented or unfermented, non-distilled or distilled beverages, like that. You have to learn this table. And this is the different types of wine like Campans, sparkling grape wine, example Chardonnay and Pinot Noir, Port grape, Tokay means fortified grape wine, Fenny means cashew apple, Perry pear, mead honey, Bocca fig wine. This one time has Bocca means made from fig wine. Cedar means apple, hondla, bale jamun. From those fruits, they may extract cedar. Thank you. Any doubts?
Participant, if you have any doubts, you can ask. If any concept is not clear, you can ask. so that seniors will be able to answer to your questions.
Ma'am, hello.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, what is the meaning of drying ratio?
Hello? Hello?
Hello, ma'am,
Drying
am I
ratio.
audible?
I am
Yes,
audible.
yes, you can
Drying
ask. You can
ratio
ask.
means. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Drying ratio means before drying, you have to take the weight. Then after drying, how much it got weight. That the difference between before drying and after drying. That ratio is known as drying ratio.
Ma'am, if it is 10 is to 1, what does it mean?
Means it contains suppose 10 gram before drying. After drying, it got 1 gram, like that. For drying, we are using so many. For tray dryers, it will drying efficiency is more, like that. After drying, how much gained weight, that is 1 ratio. 10 means before drying.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Ma'am, in graveyard, which chemical is present?
Hello?
Whether potassium metabisulfate or sodium metabisulfate?
Potassium metabisulfate.
Ma'am, but in some books it is given as sodium metabisulfate. Ma'am.
No. Potassium metabisulfate. In Gloucester's, they have not gave corrected, but in some books they have mentioned potassium metabisulfate.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the name of the enzyme that residues the anthocyanin content in grapes?
Yes, those three enzymes are very important. One, to improve the juice clarity, they will use pectinase enzyme. To improve the color and flavor, proteolytic enzymes. In order to remove the residual anthocyanin, they are using anthocyanase enzyme. Hello? Hello?
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Ma'am, can you repeat again once, ma'am? Your voice is not clear.
Okay. In order to improve the juice clarity, they were using pectinase enzyme. Now you are audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Audible, ma'am.
Ah, Pectinase
Audible, ma'am.
enzyme for juice clarity, proteolytic enzyme for improves the color and flavor, and anthocyanase enzyme to remove the residual anthocyanin. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Clear, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, what are the varieties which are used to prepare the red wine?
Hello? Red wine, Zethendal, Zenfendal, Shiraz, Carbonet, and Sauvignon. If you want, means we will provide some PDF in that I have mentioned everything. These red wine varieties has been so many times: Zethendal, Shiraz, Cabernet, and Sauvignon. Hello.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please spell out these varieties?
Okay. Zethendal में Z E N F E N D A L. Zethendal. Shiraz Shihaz, Shiraz. Cabernet Cabernet. Sauvignon Sauvignon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any doubts?
Ma'am,
Hello.
hello.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, these lectures are available somewhere on YouTube or elsewhere.
Some sources are taken from research
Hello.
papers,
Hello.
and some textbooks are there for we have read for PHT entrance and ERS. From those textbooks also I have to. If you
No, sir.
want, means I will
No,
send
ma'am.
PDF. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ah,
I want the PDFs, and if there are any recorded lectures available on YouTube, then please provide the link.
okay, okay. I will send.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello.
Actually, these classes are recorded from July 1st to July 10th. What this coaching class is going on, these all classes are recorded. And once this coaching is over, this recorded, this PPT presentation PPT will be provided to you, and also recorded video will be uploaded in YouTube channel. Okay, this YouTube channel link will be provided by Sridhar sir at last, I think so. In there, in that YouTube channel, you can see all the videos from July 1st to this 10 days coaching. Okay, these PPTs and videos will be provided, don't worry.
Sir, where will we get that
Okay,
PPT?
sir.
PPT, I think at July 10th, sir might provide. Actually, sir has to collect the PPT from all the all the people, seniors. After collecting from all, through any platform, sir will provide you. So sir will plan regarding that, and this recorded video will be uploaded in YouTube. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Any other doubts?
You want to clarify any documents, you can ask.
Ma'am, which is the oldest method of preservation, ma'am?
Hello.
Which is the oldest method of preservation, drying or fermentation?
Fermentation.
Any doubts, participants? Actually, from post harvest, you can expect maximum 10 questions, and these questions will be always simple and direct questions. So don't try to lose any marks from the easy while you attend the exam. Na, even though if you did not attend difficult questions, it's no problem, but you shouldn't make wrong in very simple questions, because it decides your rank very much. So always easy questions, you should be very perfect, and you should answer all the questions. Don't try to make any mistakes, any wrong answers in very easy questions, because this easy questions will be attended by all. If you didn't attend difficult question also, it's no problem, but you should not make easy questions wrong. Okay, be specific in your reading, and try to revise once or twice all fruit, vegetable, everything. And one more thing is, always try to give equal importance. If you want to take very good marks, please try to give equal importance to all the subjects. Not only for JRF, it will help to you in state entrance, and the thing you study in JRF, this will also be helpful in SRF also. Okay, try to read cover all the course at least once or twice. Okay.
And regarding temperature, you don't want to mug up all those things. Several major crops like temperate fruits, apple, pear, like that, in tropical mango, like that, you can learn. All things are not necessary. And also, you have to more focus on which was the temperature for fruits and all those things they have given in Gloucester's. In Gloucester's also, so many mistakes are there. You have to correct it. While reading, you will only get what is correct, what is not correct. First, you read all the textbooks, and then at last, you read Gloucester's. Then only you can correct. Otherwise, you will learn that only. So many temperature, all those things they have mentioned wrong there.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, oh, ma'am, oldest method of drying, which method, ma'am?
Oldest method means this one only, the sun drying, sun drying.
Sun drying. Most widely used method, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
The most widely used method, I think, dehydration only, because if the commodity is in a smaller number, small quantity, and if the product is of very high demand, then these will be dried through dehydration only, through tray dry or cabinet dryer. But for making various fermented products, fermentation is important. But most commonly used is dehydration only than compared to sun
In
drying or other
dehydration
methods.
means tray dryer is most widely used. Tray dryer.
Okay, ma'am.
Synonyms are very important. Tray dryer is also known as cabinet dryer, and also which is the modification. Like that, they will ask synonyms of drum dryer. Drum dryer is a modification of which dryer? Like that, they will ask. You should read about this more.
Sampadam, do you want to say anything, ma'am, other than this? Anything?
Means for
For
varieties nowadays they were asking varieties which is used for drying, freezing. Those also you concentrate whatever I have highlighted now. Those questions so many times they have asked. You don't need to mug up all those varieties. Some important crops you have to remember, like fig, like peas, like that you have to remember. Mango, grapes, like that. And RDA for vitamins, minerals, that is also important. And also vitamins, synonyms, all those things. Or always they will ask this type of questions. In related to freezing, every year they will ask 2 to 3 questions like slow freezing temperature, quick freezing temperature, air blast freezing, for fluidized bed dryer, which type of materials they were using, sublimation, eutectic point. These all very important things. And institution, and you also remember some dates like September is called as month of nutrition, ozone day, like some other dates are there, some related to post harvest technology, some schemes are there. Only some important things. Institution are very important in Hyderabad, like that you connect with some topics. For control atmospheric storage for apple, pear, those things they will ask. For mango, all those things they won't ask. Storage temperature, you learn like major crops for tropical, temperate, and subtropical. That much enough. And
Ma'am,
in
temperature for quick freezing and slow freezing, ma'am.
for quick freezing, 0 to minus 4 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. For slow freezing, minus 15 degrees Celsius to minus 29 degrees Celsius. And you more concentrate on principle of freezing, principle of drying. Like this, they will ask very easy questions.
Ma'am, please repeat the temperature.
For quick freezing, 0 to minus 4 degrees Celsius, 30 minutes. Slow freezing, minus 15 degrees Celsius to minus 29 degrees Celsius.
For how many minutes, ma'am?
10 minutes.
Ma'am, quick freezing is perfect over slow freezing. Formation of a small crystal, formation of large crystal.
Quick freezing, like it was used for like peas and also strawberry, like that. For slow freezing, it will form large ice crystal. So some products suitable like this, meat, butter, like that we can use. For small products like peas, corn, strawberry, we will use quick freezing.
Okay.
Otherwise it will get damaged, cell will rupture.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And you remember those saturated, which were the examples of saturated fatty acids, unsaturated fatty acids, and also for monosaccharides examples. Those are the things they will ask forever.
okay. Participants, if you are okay with this, we'll ask in general, like which and all objective books you are referring, like to solve the questions from, like in fruits, which and all you are referring, like in vegetable, so that if we know anything extra, we can suggest you to take that objective books. For fruits, which and all you are referring? Hello.
Treasure of fruit science, sir.
Treasure of fruit science. Okay, okay. And most commonly, Barasing Adda is also good. And extra, if you want to solve, you can also see update of fruit science. It is also very good. That one you can refer for. Actually, treasure of fruit science is treasure
So
of fruit
last,
science is. Hello.
yes, sir.
Treasure of fruit science is very heavy. Actually, it is majorly for the FRF and ARS level. So treasure of fruit science is very difficult. If you solve also no problem, but still okay, you can solve that also. And up to date is there. Then Barasingada is there regarding fruit science, and A to Z solution. A to Z the question bank is there. You will get all fruit, vegetable, flori, post harvest, everything. So try to solve A to Z questions. You'll get more number of questions there. Okay. In fruit, in vegetable, coming to vegetable, you can solve DC. Then instant vegetable science is there. From that you can solve. And other than that, for floriculture, Deshraj is very, very important. There's around 1001 question bank. That is very important for floriculture part. Okay. And from post harvest, there is A to Z solution and glimpses of post harvest technology. You can refer. Actually, glimpses of post harvest technology. At last, they give some wrong answers. So try to correct that wrong answers. And also at July 10th, there will be, I think, mock test will be there. So try to attend all the mock test. That also will be helpful for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Other than that, if you want to ask anything, not only regarding post harvest or any in general, ma'am will also be able to answer. And if I can, I'll also be able to answer. You can ask any in general if you want to ask anything.
Sir, can you tell
Hello,
something
sir.
about counseling of JRF?
JRF. Okay. See, I think most of chances exam will be in September. I think September 20th like that. Most chances it's in September only. So after once you write the exam, within 15 days they will leave you the this one marks. Okay, that you have scored this is marks. For 120, I think up to 420 na total marks. How much is total marks? Sorry, 480 na. So in 480, they'll leave like after the exam 15 to 20 days, the your marks will be announced. Okay, you have scored this much. After that, after announcing marks, after 1 week later, they'll leave you the rank like general rank, then OBC or category rank. Okay. Once the rank is announced now, then after that counseling will start. In counseling, they will leave you that in this sorry. Okay, in counseling, they will leave the seat matrix. In ICR website, you can see the seat matrix in various colleges for different divisions. You can see for category wise, they leave the seat matrix for you. So you should see that and you should do the option entry. Same as like you did in CET after PUC. How you did the CET option entry, you should do like that by seeing the seat matrix, your category, your rank with your category seat in individual college, in every college. You should see and you should do the option entry. And your documents should be very clear. It should be very perfect and don't make any mistakes in your this one category. Like for application, if you put OBC, your OBC, you should see whether your category will come central OBC or state OBC. First, you should be very proper with your category and then apply in this one while daily application. That don't make any mistakes while applying for JRF or SRF anything. Don't make any mistakes while applying. If you don't know, you can ask any seniors or your teachers, anybody. So don't make any mistakes while applying for JRF or SRF application. And category, then domicile certificate should be there. Domicile category, everything should be recent within 1 year. You should make this within 1 year only. 2021. It should be 21 document. It should be in English. Income certificate, caste, that everything. After that, once your seat will be selected in first round, you should go to the respective college and you should admit there. There, they will verify your documents. As per your application, they will verify your category certificates, income, caste, everything. As per your rank, they will verify and your seat will be reserved. Okay. Same as like CET. How you are done for CET, it's same like this one only. Okay.
Regarding regarding this, some videos are available in YouTube. You can see that also. Hello,
Thank
audible?
you. Thank you.
September 16th.
Thank you.
Ma'am, cocoa is sporophytic या gametophytic?
Cocoa. I will clarify this. I am not. Uh, I don't know correctly. I will clarify you in next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, for this one, you remember as Mango Online Cocoa. While we were studying for JRF, some seniors told that cocoa is gametophytic. but we have read as sporophytic. Still, this confusion is there. So, ma'am will let you know in next class. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sampada ma'am, if you want to say anything or if you want to share anything, you can share, ma'am. Still time is there.
Want to ask how to cover that floriculture part, especially the shrubs, trees, and so many
Means you have to
varieties.
learn, means first you have to learn simple things like for example lawns. One day you learn 10 trees and like the 10 shrubs, like that all things you can't learn in a single day. So you have to use some tricks to remember, otherwise it won't get. You practice and also you discuss with your friends, then it will be easily remembered.
Okay,
Otherwise you
ma'am.
solve Deshraj in that so many questions they have asked in previous example. While you solving, you may get, oh, that question they have asked, you have to concentrate, like that also it will be helpful.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
But
you.
those things are very important. They will ask trees which color flower, shrubs, lawns, a scientific name. That is a very important thing.
Sir, what about employment opportunities after PhD and PhD in horticulture sector?
PG and PhD, na? See, for example, if you take vegetable science, after not only vegetables, in general, I'll say, for example, in Karnataka, there will be, so, sorry, somebody
Means
is
in
calling.
all states they are having.
Yes. See, if you complete your MSc, na, then once, for example, after completion of BSc, state government will leave AHO exams. Na. If you complete MSc, your promotion will be very earlier in AHO. See, if you complete BSc and go to AHO, for promotion from AHO to ADH, it will take more time, like 7 years, 8 years, like that. If you have completed MSc, then your promotion will be very earlier, like within 3 years, within 2 3 years. That is one thing. And coming to department, individual department, there is a scope. Like in vegetable, you can go after completion of MSc or PhD. You can go for various seed companies, or you can write ARS exams, or net. If you clear net exam, then assistant professor jobs will be there. Coming to fruit science, where like various NRCs are there. Na? In NRCs, there will be employment opportunities, like on project associate, like that. In floriculture, there is so many private sectors like architecture, like that, lawn management, architecture. That is also very good. Coming to post harvest, in mega food parks or CFTRI, in FSSCI, there will be quality inspector or food inspector, like that. You will be eligible. In overall ARS, you can write in all the subjects. Post harvest, they will in upcoming years, you can write for that assistant professor job. Once if you complete the MSc, your promotion will be very easy. That is one major. PhD you can complete later if you want, but MSc, if you complete now, it will be very good. PhD you can complete later. Like that, individual subject is having individual scope. If you contact any seniors, then you will be knowing very clearly. So, okay,
Okay, thank you, sir.
okay, thank you.
Sir,
So suggestions for recalling at the last day of the exam.
Regarding recalling for last day of the exam, na, see, while you study, please try to make code words. Whatever you study for varieties or floriculture crops or anything, na, you should make code words and study. 2 to 3 members, 3 to 4 members, you make very close friends who is compatible with you, make group and try to keep code words so that you should be revising. Not only see, once if you keep the code word, it is not permanent. If you revise twice, thrice daily, that code words will be remembered. It will be remembered for up to exam. Na? So you keep code words, be remembering that. And before the last day of exam, na, before previous day, you on the day of exam morning, you don't you dress up yourself. In previous day, if you want to study, you study only the important things like citrus you study like important species. Mango cross you study, you should see very important one, and you only important varieties. Previous only for previous day I'm saying. Learn and from mango you see which are the crosses. and you will learn regarding only important recently released varieties so that it will be helpful in exam. And in post harvest is very easy. You remember only this one like RTS juice percentage TSS, only digits one which you are get confused. You try to remember that one. And majorly code words you should be once you make the code word it should be remembered to you up to the exam. Okay, you keep revising the code word and keep one knack how to this one while you study the question bank also you should keep one knack how I can remember in exam if I get this question. Okay, should study like that and it's not for to remember who is so you make group wisdom you study like that and they don't think that uh, it's like it's like both to all who stay nice. Sampada ma'am, let's wind your ma'am.
Huh.
The number of JRF and non-JRF seats, sir.
JRF seats, I think now there is 67, I think 67 or 71. That is regarding JRF. SRF, there is individual department as individual. Like in vegetable, there is 19. In fruits, there is 11 in fruits. In floriculture, there is 9. In post harvest, there is one SRF, but IRA will give fellowship up to 7 students. So in post harvest, 7 students will get fellowship. In vegetable, 19. In fruits, 11 students. In floriculture, 9 students. I don't know regarding PMA. In JRF, coming to JRF now, there will be totally 71 the seats. So while you do option entry now, you should think and do option entry because sometimes see post harvest students sometimes who got good rank they also will not get the fellowship. So while choosing the department, while choosing your college, you should see your rank and select the departments. Okay, because
Thank you,
sometimes
sir.
you'll think like you'll get JRF, but after announcing your this one will become non-JRF. So while you do the option entry, you think about your rank, your college which you are going to select, and department which you want to select. You think and as per your this one, you should do the option entry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sampada ma'am, stop ಮಾಡೋಣ ma'am.
Madam.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
How can I know about the new varieties in general in all horticultural crops?
For horticulture crops, na.
Yes, sir. How can I come
See, you,
to know about the new
see,
varieties? Any websites?
you keep okay. You keep visiting ICR website, official website, IRI official website. Then various important TAR series from which station it will be released. Na, you keep be visiting the website regularly, official website, or then you see like ICR convocation press release, IRA convocation press release. Because in convocation and in Mela na, they're releasing varieties every year. Okay, you just search like IRA convocation press release, IRA Mela press release, IHR press release like that you see, and keep visiting website, the main website like TNAU website, ICR website, IHR website, and major you know na like TAR series from where it will be released na you like not only TAR series and other series also. You keep visiting official website so that you will get to know. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Okay, okay. Yes, yes.
sir, for JRF, we have to read General Agriculture Nimra Sunna book is there, no, sir? That whole thing
Yes,
we
yes.
have to read.
Yes. Once you read full Nembrasunda. Nembrasunda is very important. And also, you refer Nembrasunda is that is more than enough. Actually, there is 20 marks na general agree.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay. Means if you refer Nembrasunda, na maximum you can get 5. I think on July 10th, I think so, July 10th or 9th, Harish sir will take your class regarding general agriculture. He will say very nicely and also how to remember keywords. Okay. So
Okay,
try
sir.
to listen. Try to listen. The sir will give notes also. That is very important. Once you listen to his class, I am sure it will be very helpful to you. You study Nemra Sunda once or twice. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sir, what
Okay.
about tomorrow's
So
online test, sir?
tomorrow,
Online exam,
hello,
sir. In afternoon session.
online exam. Yes, there will be in Google Forms. Exam will be conducted in Google Forms. Sir will provide you the link. You should get. You should once you get the link, you just enter your name, everything, and you should attend in Google Forms. For every part, there will be two papers. For fruit, two paper. Vegetable, two paper. Post office, two paper. In Google Forms, you should attend the exam. Okay. I think at last, sir will provide you the answers. I think so. You write the exams in Google Forms. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.